Hello friends, welcome to our channel again. In this video I am going to show you Epson M200 printer, how to improve the print quality. How to improve the print quality. So first the printer should be in ready condition. You have to press menu button on, then here layout, then down arrow keys, scroll up to quality. Hence quality, you have to press OK. Then you can find here standard quality, and by down arrow key best quality and draft quality. By default it is standard quality. So if we have to improve our print quality, we have to make it best in best mode. So in by pressing the arrow key, down arrow key, here is the best option, then you have to press OK. Hence our default quality will be best quality, and the print will be and the printer will be print better than the damaged printing quality. Thank you very much.